Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see important or must-know Java string functions used in Selenium framework or when we are developing a new script in automation library. String manipulation is essential for various tasks such as assertions and the message. Here are some frequently used string functions that can be useful, and today we'll see what are the functions most frequently used when we are developing a new automation library or utility or the new scripts. Okay, so string comparison, so equals this is the methods which is frequently used to compare the two strings. Okay, so this is a case sensitive, and if in case we don't want to compare the case, then we can simply use the equals ignore case. Okay, so it compared the two strings ignoring case considerations. Okay, then next is the string manipulation, substrings, and we need to pass the beginning index number, which is returns a new string that is the substrings of the original string. Okay, and the other substring also method we can use when we pass the integer begin index and the end index, then it's returns the substrings from the specified start to end index. Okay. Then next we can also use the method to uppercase and to lowercase, which convert the string to upper or lowercase. Okay. Then next string searching. Okay, we can use the contents method. Okay, it checks if the string contains a specified sequence of characters or not. Okay, then index of we can also use it, and we can pass the simply string variable. Okay, parameters, it returns the index of the first occurrence of the specified substrings. Okay. Then next we can also use the string trimming and replacement. Okay, we can use the trim. If you use the only trim, then it removes the white space from both the ends, right and left side of the string. Then replace. Okay, if you want to replace all the occurrence of a substrings with another substring, we can simply put the target character and the replacement character. It will replace it. Okay, replace all. Okay, it replaces each substring that matches that regular expression with the given replacement. Okay. The last one we can also use frequently value of. Okay, it returns the string representation of the specified object. Okay. So when we capture the string and the capture string is in integer format, and when it's to convert into the string, then we can use the value of things. Okay, and after that we can use the our string methods. Okay, so these are the all the methods which we can use the frequently when we are developing a new scripts in automation library. If in case you have any questions query, please let me know. Thank you.